to the Real Estate Hubs, your one-stop online real estate solution portal. Okay, so today we'll be talking about strategies for real estate investments. Tips. Real estate is regarded as one of the most attractive investments in the world today. You can buy a property and rent it out straight away, or renovate it to increase its selling prospects. Investing in real estate will increase your wealth by multiple times, but there are proper precautions that you must take. With changing trends in the real estate, you need to be aware of the current market conditions to ensure that your investments are risk-free. The economic conditions of a country also would prove a very, very, very vital role in the success of investment in properties. So without further ado, here are some vital tips to consider for investing in properties. So first of all, you need to look to buy in lower income neighborhoods. Buy in low income neighborhoods which are closer to the downtown area. Most people like to live closer to their workplace, which is why locations are closer to downtown are the best for investments. Investing in renovations and home improvements on such properties will pay off well. Think of a long-term vision of that area, Check for new construction projects around the neighborhood. Lower income housing might not look to be trendy, but it can be a very, very, very viable investment. Number 2, avoid buying a money pit. This is very important. Make sure to check the age and condition of the property. Replacement costs could be quite high. So consider each and every aspect of your property so that you don't end up wasting or throwing away money. Windows must not have condensation forming on the inside, as that will cause molding and will need to be replaced. Installation of new windows would add to the costs. On the other hand, properly check all the systems in the property to have an idea about the maintenance costs. It must not be too old, as it will be very, very tough ask to replace, a huge hassle. A normal air furnace usually lasts for 15 years, so inspect when it was last replaced. Landlords might object to installing a new furnace due to its cost and weight. Water tanks and fridges need to be checked too for any improvements. Number 3, private parking. Now this is very, very, very essential. Private parking will be an added advantage to the investment property in certain areas. Properties do not have their private parking, and that can greatly affect its selling or rental prospects. People would be more willing to buy properties with private parking and even pay an additional amount for it. Private parking or a garage is one of the more desirable areas in a home. Next is know your budget. You have to know your budget. You must prepare a proper forecast of cash flow before investing. Maintain enough capital for meeting the current needs of the property and tenants. Try to maintain a good debt to credit ratio to ensure that your bank will help in investment. Seek a pre-approval of your investment loan from your bank to know how much you can borrow before investing. Next is buy in a budding area. Buy in an area that is coming up. Buy in an area that people would love to invest. Look for an area where the demand for rental accommodation is quite high. This will reduce the need for much persuasive advertising and promotion. Look for buying properties in areas close to schools and universities to attract tenants. If you want to resell it, then consider investing in modern construction. Very, 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 very important. I hope this helps, though, and don't forget to go through from the beginning, read through, consider some of these things before investing in real estate. These are very, very important tips. Once again, this is the Real Estate Hub, your one-stop online real estate solution portal. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then drop your comments right in the comment box below. Thank you very, very, very much.